Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's class I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare this simple, delicious and fresh looking mackerel stew. You can see how lovely and delicious this is looking. If this is what you would like to learn, please kindly watch this video till the end. Thank you. For this tutorial I'm going to be using mackerel fish as my protein. It serves as a source of protein. So my seasoning cube, my salt, my vegetable oil and my palm oil. So these are my pepper. So I'm going to be using onion, tomatoes, bell pepper, chili pepper and scotch bonnet. Some people call this tatashe. Some people call this shombo in Yoruba land. And this is also called atarodo. That's our scotch bonnet. So I'm going to be blending everything all together and show us the results. I'm going to be using blender to blend it. So after blending, I'm going to show you guys the results. So this is the outcome of my blended pepper. You can see how it is looking, as you can see. So I blended this with the help of blender. So after this I'm going to pour our pepper inside a very clean pot and allow it to boil for like 2 minutes before I start preparing my stew. So I've already lighted up my cooker, as you can see. So I'm going to place my pot on the cooker and pour in my mixed pepper and allow this to boil, for some minutes, at least 2 minutes. So after boiling, so our pepper is already boiling. You can see how the bubbles is popping up already. So let's check. So after this I'm going to start frying my pepper. So I've already placed my pot on the fire. I will allow this to dry off before adding in my vegetable oil and my palm oil. So my pot is dried already. I'll pour in my palm oil before adding in my vegetable oil. I will allow this to heat up a little before adding in my vegetable oil. So our palm oil is already heated up already. You can see how the flame is coming out. So I'll go ahead by adding in my vegetable oil. After that, I will pour in my pepper. So I will cover this to steam up for 2 minutes before adding in my fish. So after our pepper has steamed up already, I will start by adding in my fish. One by one. So I've added in all my fish and I'm going to stir this up a little. Be careful not to overstir this, just because we are using fish, so be careful not to overstir it. So after cooking for some minutes, I'm going to add in my seasoning cube and my salt. These are steamed up for some minutes now, so I'll go ahead by adding in my seasoning cube. Just 2 is okay. So after that, I'll add in my salt. Don't over add this for your stew not to be too salty, not to be salty at all. And cover. So let's check if our stew is done and ready to serve. This is so palatable, so delicious. So the stew is done and ready to serve with any dish of your choice, either with any type of swallow or rice, depending on how you like it. So guys, this is the outcome of our mackerel stew, and this recipe is so easy to put together, and that makes it so simple to prepare and super delicious. As you can see how lovely and delicious this is looking. So if you enjoyed this tutorial with me, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.